say whatever you want to say and whatever you choose to say. But what
I don't get language is Gananda.
Who is Jigananda?
Vanane mari ngemi so. Nekuti mnenge mune mari wamechita zodzita.
You know what? I think not active per social media, not terror social media, and I hear Taura such names, you know, about people. For example, okay, I can go by an example, and without, you know, this show a mood or to come. Oh, but example, one example. Say week now. One on the Chigananda, and it never. And it and it's a week now. Arkuba Marinika, Azuba Marima Gezi, I say. But you know what? I tend to differ in my analysis. If you sit down with him and ask him, because it's na say week now, he chooses to show you his lifestyle. He never showed you panenga chanda. But can I tell you one thing, Baba? Akuna munhu anoreza million asiri smart. But those guys are very smart and hardworking. Very smart and hardworking, but they choose not to show you when they are doing hard work. I'll give you an example. Say with no pisa and it go number one Chigananda. Let me take you back a little bit. Unozera tuvakambodaidzwa public committee, you know, parliament portfolio committee yailidwa na honorable Themba Mliska. Yes. Do you know, I watched it because I think I get public. You know, I watched it on social media. It was public. He didn't, Wicknell didn't go with anyone. He went Edgar. Asnaga na lawyer. Yes, was caught. Aine file.
Question that is same one.
Mira, but an interesting one. Say what no Garab, the whole portfolio committee being chaired by Honorable Themba Mliska. Then Honorable Themba Mliska, I don't know statement ya wakataura yekuti iwe urukunzi nevano hanzi wakaita chitsotsechi onza akati zvoni those allegations are baseless and nonsensical. Zvikanzi na Honorable Themba Mliska, that's unparliamentary. Zvikanzi I withdraw. Right. Then ndobva vachimubvunza kuti saka iwo tender wakariwana sei nechi. He articulated. Anditika kuti takazotenda so tikaita so. Can I tell you one thing? Munhu anowana mari yaya ina Wicknell. Haiwani kwene munhu asiri smart. The guy is smart. And zvinoitika ndezvekuti once waita certain level yemari, kuwana your next money becomes so easy. And to get to the next level, it's so easy. And they know, no, with a matenda. And then those are no, with a matenda. Do you know those tenders are public? Pane EGP system, yakaitwa muno muZimbabwe. Ukaenda register ne PRAS, business rago. Ukano register ne PRAS. And procurement regulatory authority. Kune ma categories. Ariko. And so category kana ida kuenda ku energy. And unono register under energy wobadala I think 150. And kana uchida kuita ine ndiko real estate, my real estate company inayo EGP, my property development inayo EGP, kumota inayo EGP, ku equipment inayo EGP. Do you know what matenda yawa every day? Don't never fana unogara uchivura matenda every day. And right. So zvinoitika pa matenda aya anenge aine ma requirements anenge achida. Ndosa nchikuza kuti you have to formalize your business in a way so that you are able to get those big tenders. Panere basa rekuti kana usiri formalized auri one. Anditika right. So say we can explain kuti tender yakauya ndobva data A, data B, data C. Anditika baba ipapo portfolio committee ye parliament ndobva yamshaira mhosva. zese andobva yada kuvasuwa handizivi kuti zese rakaundichi ndobva yada kuvasuwa andokainzwa kaita outcry kunzi vari kutonzi bhadharai futi 22 million ivo vakabhadhara 5 million tinenge tichichema because hatizive the law yecontract. So process yematender aya, let me tell you, inini I have won matender without knowing anyone, masmall tenders, I have won them. You know what, vanokuti zvoni uploadai your methodology yekuti basa muchariita sei, uploadai your tax clearance certificate, uploadai your company documents, uploadai your company profile, tipei quotation yenyu. Handitika zvese zvinoitwa online, hapana munhu anoona. Zvaenda uko zvono downloadwa. Handitika voita adjudication process yavo voaward contract. Pana matenders ekuti kana uchida kuipicha vantu toda kuona your bank statement. Handitika bank statement yase inenge ichiwa I don't know but rickshaw kuti vakamove 100 million or 200 million. Ndono kompita nawo obviously vanogona kuloza. Handitika so instead of uye udzidza kuti but maybe your first million wakaiwana sei. We concentrate on kutuka vanhu pasocial media kuti zvigananda zvichi, but young people formalize your businesses. Handitika and across the world vanhu vanodhila nematenders vese they are super rich. I played golf recently. Yeah, but remember, you're a journalist. That's your profession. That's your business. And tenderpreneurship is also a business. It's also. Do you know tender, Babaka? You know, garirwa pasi. In a technical things, in a lot of things. Jamunoita. I don't know Jangu because he chose not to show us. But I don't know. A group of young people. And vakagarira kuita matenda.
There's a lawyer akapiwa mari recently, akapiwa mota, a $50,000 car and she so pano anonyora kadhati long but paunorara usiku hwese uchiverenga matenda macontract so that everything is watertight.
Atitiri kuona. So now if they say no, want to prosecute this guy, akatibira akaita say, I tell you they will prosecute nothing because it's to know what to do. Right? Zesa ndikaenda court ikanza mutofana kutobhadhara 22 million because va breach a contract ine two sides, ine ma obligations the client, ine ma obligations a contractor. So vana kumita their obligations, then voenda upo order of specific performance kunzi guys perform. And saka isusu manje singaziye tangoona headline yakanzi kwakabiwa mari then we start insulting people. I have been insulted. But ndambondane maripi.
But pamatenda, yes, they are public. Abanere kuti the public process will be a charade. But kumashuro walk titori zvafana noti pa interview some allegations in my interviews ekutsvaga basa kuti just to satisfy my regulation emunyika in terms of how you flight a job vacancy. Kunouya panapa pariu tatwa that we are going to invite 50 people. Vouya vanototwa my interviews. Tine 105 people.
You know what? Those are stories that people say, but that's really practical. I sit in other boards of other companies. We interview people. And many times we hire people on merit. Saka ndoma stories atiri kufana kubvisa in the mind of our young people because haucha participate iwewe in the things that can change your future because wakaudzwa unzi zvinhu zvine chitsotsi unombozirewo kuti claim kuti uwane claim iwewe sazigo gold mining claim hakudi less more than $150 unombozviziva ku Ministry of Mines. It has nothing to do with ZANU-PF. It has nothing to do with anyone. Unoenda apo wasvika unobhadhara $15 yako wopuwa chiform wofila unotopuwa prospectors license iwewe uri kunzwa rekunzi zigo enda unoprospecta gold woenda kunengirikini kugogo handitika hakusati pane kunonzi kuna sanyatu hakusati kwatomboine mugodhi ikoko but kune goridhe handika unoprospecta ikoko wotsvaga muchinese wako kandotsvaga chiwonda partnership naye kanto unotsvaga because kana ukabata bepa ukauya kwandiri nini neproposal I'll be like, but let me consider. I'll be like, no, but this young man on a point, let me consider. And another thing, in what I've learned, a no is an answer. I knock on every door. Ndichoka business babantu noyenda even ndiri kwandiri I remember ndichijairwa netumwe twapfana because pandosvika ndisvike ndiri group CEO ndiri chino ndosvika guys togadzira mota hamuna here mota dzoda kugadzirwa chichi ndosiya company profile yangu chichironzwa kuti daidzira wemkote nengirikini motka anditika so I knock on every door pamwe unosvika unza no hatisi kuda pamwe it's a yes so a no. It's an answer, but I will try.
You try.
And I will never stop trying. So that's what I'm saying to young people. The guys, look, don't be negative about your country. Yo konofunga kuti kwagara zvakanaka ndekupiwa. Ndekupi muno muSouthern Africa konofunga kuti kune vanhu vane government inoya ichingopa vanhu mari vakagara.